I'm so excited about this new product I just got in the mail. It's called Bug Bite Thing, and what it is, it's an insect bite and sting suction tool. That's right, that means if you get bitten by a mosquito, for example, you just put it on there and it sucks out all the stuff that makes you itchy. This stuff is pretty good. It helps alleviate the itching and swelling that I know I get from mosquito bites. So I'm looking forward to trying this. All right, so I'm outside. Of course, I got several mosquito bites while I was out here. They always bite in the weirdest places, and this will actually help you suck out all of the stuff that makes it itchy. So what we're gonna do, of course, it's on the back of my knee. You put it right in the middle, lift up, so you feel some suction. You never want it to hurt, but what's happening is it's sucking all of that out. And you leave it here close to 10 seconds. The mosquito bite itself is actually not there anymore, and lo and behold, that one doesn't itch anymore.